to really be a target.
Come on, Pop-Pop! Come on, Pop-Pop! I like that toy! Give me that toy, Pop-Pop! Yeah, what a big boy you are!
And then play with him.
What a big boy you are! Yeah.
So do we need to block this off? So bring him to your level. Oh. Pop, go get the toy! Go find it! Go find it! Right, go find it! Go find it!
There it is!
Yay! Come on, Pop-Pop!
Come on, Pop-Pop! Bring it to me, Pop-Pop! Come on, Pop-Pop! Come on, Pop-Pop! Come on, Pop-Pop!
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Pop-Pop! Yeah. Yeah, come here! Cat! No!
Listen and let him go.
Okay. Here, Pop-Pop! Here, Pop-Pop! Come on! Here, Pop-Pop! Here, Pop-Pop! Here, Pop-Pop! Come on! Here, Pop-Pop! Here, Pop-Pop!
Go, buddy.
Here, Pop-Pop! Come on!
Some gas.
Here, Pop-Pop! Come on! Give me a toy! Give me that toy! Bring me that toy! Bring me that toy!
Here, buddy. Come in. Come this way. Come here. Come here.
Yes, here!
There
Bring me
you
that
go.
toy! Good job! Okay.
You're a busy dude.
Oh, boy! Here, Cat! Sit!
Over there to get him, though.
Okay, come here. Sit. Good boy. He went before I released him. Ready? Good sit. That's a good boy. A very good boy. Okay. Here, Pop-Pop! Come on, buddy. Bring me that toy! Come on, Pop-Pop! Bring me that toy! Bring me that toy! We'll play again! Come on! Come on, Pop-Pop! Come on! Yes! Yes! Oh, what a good boy you are! Oh, this one, such a good boy! You are such a good boy! Yes, yes! Okay, sit! Sit! Good! Yeah, good boy! Good boy! Okay.
I mean, the problem isn't going to be getting off the dock. The problem is going to be, well, not problem, but the
Issue.
get it.
Here, Pop-Pop! Bring it to me! Here, Pop-Pop! Here, Pop-Pop! Come on, bring me that toy! Bring me that toy! Bring me that toy! Come on, bring me that toy! Bring me that toy! Oh, what a good boy! Come on! Yay! Good job!
You can take off the
Good
big
job.
dock. You say okay. Right away.
Good
You
job!
say okay, then play your toy.
Don't wait.
No, you waited.
Okay.